Welcome to CAMWorks Tips and Tricks. My name is Paul Ludwig, and this video is going to cover keys to creating a foolproof strategy. Inside of SolidWorks, I have spent time setting up a strategy for irregular pockets. In this case, it covers rough mill 3, 4, 5, and contour mill 3. Each rough mill is an individual volume mill strategy, and then the finishing pass takes care of all of the walls. I'm now going to save this strategy back into my tech database. I'm going to right click on a regular pocket 1, go to Save Operation Plan, and then for this case, I'll make a new strategy, and I'll just call it New Strategy. I'm then going to hit OK, and this dialog box pops up. Now we're going to leave everything as is for now because we need to go in and change a couple things anyway, but some of these items I'm not able to change, and that's why we want to make sure we go into our tech database and make those changes. I'm going to go ahead and hit OK. This strategy is now saved back into my tech database. I'm now inside my tech database and I have the new strategy I saved active. The first thing I want to point out is on the right-hand side under feature condition, stock material is aluminum alloys. That is the material that was on the model when we saved the strategies. If we want this to work for everything, we need to make sure that we hit all. Otherwise, it will not be available for certain materials. The other thing we want to do is adjust box width and feature depth. Right now, they are set 0 to whatever number was on the feature when we saved it. The default inside the system is 1000. So I'm going to change both of these to be 0 to 1000. This makes the strategy foolproof for material and feature size. Over on the left-hand side, when I click on each one of these, we can see that that tool changes. To be clear, this is using a very specific tool inside of the tech database. If we want this to be foolproof, we want to give it an expression. So I'm going to go ahead and click expression, and I'm going to have several options here. I have a lower and an upper expression. If I hit the drop down, we could see that it says finish radius, box length, box width, base radius, and largest inscribed circle. What we're going to do in this case is go ahead and use a finish radius. What this is going to be is the actual finish radius on the walls. And then we're going to go ahead and multiply this by something. Now, if it was 1, it would be the finish radius times 1, and then it would select a tool that fits that. What we're going to do is give it a range. So I'm going to say 0.5, and then for the upper expression, I'm going to go times and do something like 0.75. Now, by selecting a number less than 1, as in 0.5 and 0.75, it's always going to select a tool that is smaller than the finish radius. And that means the tool will always fit and will always give you the best result when creating toolpaths. We do this for all 4 of these, and we now have a foolproof strategy. Thanks for watching our video. For more information, scan the QR code or click the link in the description.